and you have your compact bone. And in the compact bone, we've studied this during the orientation, diba? During the first week. But for today, we will be discussing first the spongy bone. Okay, this class, now if you scan it right, you have here your bone marrow and the spongy bone and bone marrow, and we are going to study this area. Okay? So this one is the venculate. Trabeculate. Right? Trabeculate. Yan. Yung big structure. Spongy bone, if we ask you, usually ganito ang structure na ipofocus natin. There are a lot of bone cells to be studied for today. Okay, when you say spongy bone, if we ask what is the fundamental type of tissue, you will answer it's still a connective tissue. Okay? The subtype for the spongy bone or for this particular slide is bone or osseous. The bone or osseous. And the specific subtype for the spongy bone is your cancellous. Okay, cancellous, cancellous. That is your cancellous. Okay, what is projected right now are the different types of your bone cells. Okay, start with ito muna sa monitor. Okay. The first of the cell is this cell. This is found in the matrix. Yan. So nakita nyo yung cell na to. So yan, yung mga nasa gitna. This one, that one. So these are this is known as your osteocyte. So dito sa monitor, ito nasa gitna na to. So bone matrix, these are all your osteocyte. So the cell, one of the cells found in the bone matrix is your osteocyte. Now the function of your osteocyte will be discussed in a while. Okay? Okay, the function of the osteocyte is it maintains your bone matrix. Okay? Maintenance of your bone matrix. So if this is your class, if this is your bone matrix, I can maintain yan. Of course, are the cells found in it. So these are your osteocyte. That is the mature form of your bone cell. Okay? So remember, may compact bone, right? So we are at the spongy bone. Okay, what else na makikita natin sa spongy bone? Now look here at the screen. So these are the osteocyte. Ano pang makikita? Sir, these are the osteoblasts. Ito yung nasa gilid lang ang mga osteoblast. No? The osteoblast, they're only found at the periphery. Hindi yan pwedeng pumasok sa bone matrix. Now look at this specific osteoblast. The osteoblast, their function is production. Okay? They produce the bone formation. Oh, sorry. Bone formation. Okay, look at the screen. Ito pinaglugan ko. Look at the osteoblast. So, yan ang cell na pwede nang pumasok sa bone matrix para maging osteocyte. Okay? Ulit. These are all your osteoblasts. Nasa gilid. This particular osteoblast will undergo differentiation at gusto niya nang pumasok sa bone matrix. Kapag pumasok na siya sa bone matrix, pag pumasok na siya sa bone matrix, magiging osteocyte cell. Okay? So again, identify the cell pointed. Osteoblast. What is the function? Bone formation. And Identify cell pointed. Osteocyte. What is the function? Maintains your bone matrix. Okay? Now, there is another cell that is found at the spongicle. Now, look first here. This is now your monocyte or phagocyte in the bone. This is your osteoclast. Okay? Ito po, ang osteoclast. They are described as multinucleated giant cell. Okay, again, they are described as multinucleated giant cell. So multinucleated because of the number of nucleus present in this cell. When you say multi, pwedeng nasa tuloy-tuloy sila. Now look at the TV screen. Pwedeng nasa here, pwedeng nasa bone matrix sila. Basta, they are considered as a multi-nucleated giant cell that are multi. Sabihin, pwede nandito sa matrix, kaya naman, pwede nandito sa periphery, kasama ng osteoclast. Okay, what is the function of the cell pointed? Your osteoclast, its function is for bone resorption. Okay, again, function is bone resorption. Okay, you've encountered your mesenchymal cell, right? So in the screen, these are your mesenchymal cells. A yung magiging osteoblast or magiging osteocyte later on. Okay? Nasa gilid lang ang mga mesenchymal cells. Okay. Now take note, hindi po galing si osteoclast sa mesenchymal cell. Okay? Again, your osteoclast, they are not derived from the mesenchymal cell. Saan siya galing? They are from monocyte phagocyte system. Then, the only bone cell that is derived from the monocyte phagocyte system is your osteoclast. Now, this mesenchymal cell will be differentiated into osteoblast and later on to an osteocyte. Okay? Okay, dito tayo sa... Okay, this is another slide. These are osteoblasts found at the periphery. Your osteocyte nasa bone matrix sila. So what is the cell pointed class? Multinucleated giant cell. Osteoclast. Okay? Okay, so this is your spongicle. What is the specific subtype is? Cartilages. What is the cell pointed?
Osteocyte.
Osteocyte. What is the function?
Maintenance of bone
Maintains bone
matrix.
matrix. What is the cell pointed?
Osteoclast.
Osteoclast. What is the function? Bone resorption. So pag nasa periphery, like this one, anong tawag sa nila?
Osteoblast.
Osteoblast. What is the function?
Bone formation.
Bone formation. Okay? So that will be your spongicle. A familiar slide. Okay? What is the organ focus?
Compact bone.
Huh? Very good. This is our compact bone. Now we will be studying the compact bone in detail. Okay. So this one is the scatter view. We are at slide number 12. This is our compact bone. Okay. Shift it to higher magnification. Yan. Ito. Perfect. Ito. Wait, tahan na tayo. Yan. Okay. So, class from from this tip of the pointer after this area, from that area to this area, this is also known as your osteon or Haversian system. Right? That was a review. In the compact bone, what is the parenchyma? Ano pa rin yung osteocyte? What is the shape of the osteocyte? Found in your compact bone. Almond with projections. What is the arrangement? Concentric. What is the number of nucleus? Mononucleated. And the location of the nucleus is central. Okay? Now we will be studying the compact bone in a higher magnification. So, okay. So this is the whole structure pointed is your aversion system or osteon. Now what is this structure that is pointed? This is your aversion canal. Okay? Aversion canal. Now let's identify the other parts of your compact bone. Ayan, tayo sa aversion canal. Anong laman ng aversion canal? Mamaya sa lecture sa sige. Okay. Our central canal, what is the structure that is pointed right now? Okay, take note that the structure pointed is your lacuna. L-A-C-U-N-A-E or walang E sa huli. If we ask you the structure, lacuna is the answer. But if we ask you the cell that is pointed, you will answer osteocyte. Okay? Because the osteocytes, they are lodged in the lacuna. Okay? Again, these cells are all your osteocyte. Pero pag tinanong namin what is this structure pointed, you will answer lacuna. The lacuna, that is where your osteocytes are lodged in. Okay? So, hindi natin mag-differentiate kung lacuna ba yun or cell, not unless itanong namin kung ano yun. So, in the practical exam, if we ask you, identify cell pointed, you will answer
Osteocyte.
osteocyte. Identify structure pointed,
Lacuna.
you will answer lacuna. Okay? So, what else that we have to find? We have to study in the compact bone. Okay, ito. So this one is the central canal. Identify cell pointed as osteocyte. Structure pointed is lacuna. Okay, there are still structure that we have to study.
Meron pa ba?
Wala ng power.
This is a better slide for your compact bone. So this one, the whole structure of the tip of the pointer again is the aversion system. Structure pointed right now is our central canal. The structure pointed right now is your lacuna, and the cell pointed is your osteocyte. Now there is this finger-like projection. Now this finger-like projection is known as your canaliculi. Okay, hanapin natin. Good. Can you appreciate yung cell? So you have your, this one is the osteocyte in the lacuna. This finger-like projection is known as your canaliculi. Okay, canaliculi. Yan, yung mga yan, nakita niyo ba? Parang mga projections na yan in between the osteocyte and your in between the osteocyte. Now, what is the function of your canaliculi? Now, yan. Kita ba? Yan. Now, these are all your bone canal. Ito ang pinakaganda. Canal. Now, they're found in between your osteocyte. Now, what is the function of your canaliculi? It is the communication between osteocyte. it also functions as it gives nutrition to the bone matrix or to your bone. Okay? Nutrition, communication between osteocyte, that is the function of this structure pointed. This is your canalicular. Can you appreciate that? Yung finger-like projections?
Yes.
Yes. So again, can you identify this cell pointed?
Ostracized.
Osteocyte. What is the function? It maintains your bone matrix. Now, what is the structure pointed? Lacuna. What is the structure pointed? Conversion canal or the central canal. Okay? Meron bang isang structure na kailangan
Wala na.
hanapin for this particular slide? A canal ulit. It communicates from one conversion system to another conversion system. So, anong ibig sabihin nun? Yung connection ng isang osteon, this one is an osteon, another osteon. Now, this structure connecting two osteon or two conversion system, this is known as your Bowman's canal. Okay, spelling Bolkamann. Okay, it communicates and serves as a communication between two conversion systems. Okay, ano pa tayo? This one is also a Bowman canal. This one is a Bowman canal. Okay, basta nagko-communicate siya sa isang osteon, there is a Bowman canal. Okay, that's good. Okay, question. What is the fundamental type of tissue? It's the still connective tissue. What is the subtype? It is still bone or osseous. Now, this time, your specific subtype is compact. Okay, again, fundamental type is connective. Subtype is bone or osseous. Specific subtype is compact bone or compact. Alright, so those are the. Now, this one is slide number 77. So, cartilage na tayo. Anong clue nyo sa cartilage? We have this trachealis muscle, your tracheal glands, your lining epithelium, and this one. Yan. This one is your tracheal cartilage. Okay. So, dito sa lasa, ulit, you have your tracheal gland and your tracheal cartilage. So, for this morning, let's study the tracheal cartilage. So, shift this one to a higher magnification. Yan. Okay. So, in the tracheal cartilage, we have this so-called perichondrium. Okay? Ano yung perichondrium? Look at the monitor. This is the whole perichondrium. Nagsosupport siya sa cartilage. So again, this one is the perichondrium. Hindi lang po yung part na yan. The whole part bago tracheal cartilage. Okay? Now, if we ask you what is the subtype of your perichondrium, you will answer fibrous. And this is also a dense, irregular type of connective tissue. So, hindi lang po dense, irregular ang makikita sa skin. This is your reticular layer of dermis. You also find a dense, irregular connective tissue in the form of perichondrium at your trachea. Okay, our concern now is the tracheal cartilage. Now, this is your tracheal cartilage. What is the fundamental type of tissue? You have to answer again, connective. The subtype is cartilage. Specific subtype, this time is hyaline. Hyaline. And this class are actually your parenchyma. These are your chondrocyte or cartilage cells. Okay, chondrocytes or cartilage cells. Yan po. And this is the whole tracheal cartilage. And this is your chondrocytes or your cartilage cells. Now, if we ask you what is the arrangement of your parenchyma in the tracheal cartilage, you will answer singly. Okay, singly, S-I-N-G-L-Y. Pwede daw single, nag-iisa, or pwede daw silang in groups or in isogenous groups. Okay, again, the arrangement of your chondrocytes in the tracheal cartilage is singly or in isogenous group. Okay, hanap tayo ng singly or in isogenous group. Singly, S-A-S-I-N-G-L-Y. So, for example, you are the tracheal cartilage, ano po yung singly? Para siyang in group, like this one. Now, two chondrocytes in one. This one is three. This one is singly. Okay, so hindi natin pwedeng isagot na singly lang. Kasi the tracheal cartilage, there is singly or in isogenous group. Like this one, 3. Diba? This one is in 2. This one is singly. And so on is red. Ito. No, magkasama sila sa isang. So this is in a group. Or in, this is also in a group of 2. Group of 3 or 4. And this is 6. Okay, so again, this is the organ of focus is your trachea, and the whole structure from the tip of the pointer up to this area is your tracheal cartilage. What type of cartilage? It's a hyaline cartilage. Okay, again, fundamental type is connective, subtype is cartilage, specific subtype is hyaline cartilage. Right, so that is the first type. Okay, the second type of cartilage is this one. Okay, so pareha na sila except that there is this presence of this type of fiber. Okay, hindi na siya collagen. Ano kaya yun? So this one is your epiglottis. Okay, epiglottis. So shift into higher ramification and then study the second type of cartilage. Now in this type of cartilage, can you appreciate the fibers? Plus, walang ganito sa trachea. Right? So this type of fiber is known as your elastic fibers. Okay, elastic. So if we ask you what type of connective tissue fiber is seen in this type of slide or organ focus, you have to answer elastic fibers. Now in the epiglottis, the fundamental type of tissue is still connective tissue. The subtype is cartilage. The specific subtype, if there is elastic fibers, definitely the specific subtype is elastic cartilage. Okay? Now the parenchyma is still chondrocyte. So shifted to higher magnification. Now can you appreciate this fiber, itong mga pink structure na yan? Look, the chondrocytes in the epiglottis is also in singly or in isogenous group. Ito, perfect example of a isogenous group. Yan. Singly, hanap tayo ng single, ito. And the pink structure are your elastic fibers. Okay? Ulit, this is your epiglottis. Ang clue ko dito, the organ in focus is E, epiglottis. This type of fiber is E, elastic fibers, and this type of cartilage is E, elastic cartilage. Okay? So again, what is the organ of focus, class? Epiglottis. What type of what type of connective tissue fiber? Elastic. What is the fundamental type?
Connective.
Connective. What is the subtype?
Cartilage.
Cartilage. Specific subtype?
Elastic
What is the
cartilage.
parenchyma?
Chondrocyte.
Chondrocyte. What is the arrangement of the parenchyma?
Singly or isolated.
Alright, so that is the second type of cartilage. Is found in this slide. Slide number. Slide please.
Intervertebral disc.
Okay. So this third type or last type of cartilage is found in slide number 11. This is your intervertebral disc. Okay. Now this intervertebral disc, its fundamental type is connective tissue. Subtype is cartilage. Specific subtype, please take note, it is a fibrocartilage. Okay? The specific subtype of your intervertebral disc, specifically the cartilage, is your fibrocartilage, N-I-B-R-O. So look at the monitor. Can you appreciate this cell? No, ang dami. So should we do higher magnification? Yan. Okay. These are your chondrocytes. Okay? The chondrocytes are arranged in not singly or in isogynous group, they are arranged in rows. Okay? Ito po. So this one is a fibrocartilage. This is a fibrocartilage. These are all your parenchyma or your chondrocytes. Now they are arranged in rows. Okay? So of course, may mga collagen fibers dito, pero mas wala siya masyadong elastic. Kasi nga, it's a fibrocartilage. Again, this type of cartilage or fibrocartilage is a hyaline. It has collagen fiber. So para siya hyaline. Pero the chondrocytes, they are different from the hyaline and elastic cartilage. Okay? So again, what is the organ of focus? Intervertebral disc. Fundamental type is
Connective.
connective. Subtype
Cartilage.
cartilage. Specific subtype fibrocartilage. Parenchyma chondrocytes. And arrangement of the parenchyma is in groups. Okay? So there you have your bone and your cartilage. Orientation. Right? So the first slide is your skeletal muscle. Slide number 22. Okay, alam na alam ito. This is type of muscle that is striated, and this is your voluntary muscle. Okay, so this is the low power objective. I'll shift it to higher. High power objective. Ayan. Nakita niya kapag may striation at multinucleated, this is your skeletal muscle. Okay? So ito na yan. So these are your skeletal muscle. So if you ask you what is the fundamental type of tissue, anong answer na this time? What is the fundamental type of tissue? Muscular tissue. The subtype is skeletal. The arrangement, and actually at this time, kailangan niya gumawa ng table. Okay? Kasi we have skeletal, cardiac, and smooth muscle. So ulit, they are all the fundamental type of tissue. They are all muscular tissue. The first column, for example, is the subtype. The subtype is skeletal. The arrangement of your skeletal muscle is in bundles or in fascicles. The shape of the skeletal muscle cell is cylindrical with tapered or blunt ends. The number of nucleus is multi-nucleated, and the location of the nucleus is peripheral or eccentric. Alam mo na yan. Right? So if this is your
Muscular.
skeletal muscle, hindi siya mukhang tendon kasi we will be showing you the striations. Kapag may striations, skeletal muscle. Kapag wala, then you may consider a tendon. Okay? So that is the first type of muscle, your skeletal muscle. Okay.
Wait talaga, hindi ako nagsagot na. Dami pa rin sa
Okay, this is the second type of muscle in this organ in focus. This is actually a familiar slide. Ano kayang slide yan? Very good. Pwede na mag-exam. So this is your ilium because of the presence of Peyer's patch. So this is the Peyer's patch. Okay?
Slide na to.
So papakita natin ito real life. The lining epithelium again, I ask you, what is the lining epithelium of your
Pakita mo
ilium?
na lang.
Nakalimutan nyo na? Lining epithelium. It's simple, columnar, very good with goblet cells. Ayun o, mga goblet cells. Siyempre, gubit sa bola, kalimutan na natin yan. So this is, the whole structure pointed is a Peyer's patch, another Peyer's patch, and that is a characteristic feature of your ilium. Okay? As a review. Now, what concern in this type of organ is the muscle. Hanapin natin yung muscle. Okay. Yeah. Now, syempre hindi lang ganito yung represent natin. Kailangan natin makita yung villi and the Peyer's patch. Right? But for the purpose of the discussion of the laboratory for today, we will be going to the muscular layer of your ilium or your tunica muscularis. Okay? Now this one, class, is a type of a smooth muscle. Okay? Look, you have your inner circular and outer longitudinal type of muscle. Ibig sabihin ng doc, ayun po yung arrangement ng muscle sa ilium. Inner circular here and outer longitudinal. Icon, I-C-O-N, inner circular, outer longitudinal. Now, this is actually a nice to know. Look at the center of this type of muscle. Diba? Icon yan. So, inner circular, outer longitudinal. Sa gitna nila, this is a R-bax plexus. Ano yung sabihin ng doc? Kapag na-stimulate mo ang structure that is pointed right down, mangyayari, ang gagawin niya, will produce peristalsis. Kaya may peristaltic movement ang ilium ninyo or small intestine because of this structure. This is also known as our backs. So, A-U-E-R-B-A-C-H. Don't worry, hindi ko tatanong yan. That's nice to know kasi kapag na-stimulate to, sabi ko, hindi ko tatanong, sinulat. So pag na-stimulate yan, ano mangyari? Magko-contract yung muscle nito. Now this is a type of a smooth muscle. And that is the second type of muscle. So shift it to higher magnification.
Higher back.
Okay. Diba? Ibang-iba to sa skeletal muscle. Diba? Hindi siya masyado. Wala siyang striation. Now in this type of muscle, the fundamental type is muscular tissue. The organ in focus is ilium. The subtype is smooth. The arrangement of your parenchyma is in layers or sheets. Okay? Layers or sheets. The shape of the parenchyma for smooth muscle is spindle shape. Okay, spindle shape. And the number of nucleus is mononucleated, and the location of nucleus is central. Okay, it's complete opposite of your skeletal muscle. Again, ilium, smooth muscle arranged in layers or sheets. Its shape is spindle shape. The number of nucleus is mononucleated, and they are centrally located. They have a centrally located nucleus. Okay, so that is the second type of muscle.
Last na. Ano pa rin?
The organ of focus is your heart. So let's study the structure of this muscle. If you scan the slide, no, syempre wala siyang villi, kaya hindi siya ilium. Wala rin siyang striations like your skeletal muscle. And then let's study this particular slide. I'll shift it to a higher magnification. So this class is the last type of your muscle. Okay. Now this type, the organ of focus is heart. Subtype is your cardiac muscle. They are arranged in bundles. Okay, ulit, connective tissue, cardiac muscle ang subtype, organ of focus is the heart. The arrangement is in bundles. Anong shape niya? It is cylindrical with branching ends. Okay? We are very particular with the shape. Because the skeletal muscle is also cylindrical, pero tapered ends ang skeletal muscle. For the cardiac muscle, they are cylindrical with branching ends. What is the number of nucleus? Now, take note. The number of nucleus for the cardiac muscle is mononucleated or binucleated. Okay? I am emphasizing this. Do not answer mononucleated only. Okay? Dapat mononucleated or binucleated. Okay? And of course, the location of the nucleus is central. Now, for the cardiac muscle, there is this characteristic fissure. And can you identify what is the characteristic fissure of your cardiac muscle? Starts with letter I. Ano kaya yun? I. Ano kaya yung I sa cardiac muscle? Ha? Oh, section K. Very good.
Galing talaga.
Okay, that is our intercalated. That is a structure that is only found at your cardiac muscle. So, hahanapin ko kayo ng intercalated. But for now, siyempre pinahirapan ko kayo. So, mabawi ako sa inyo.
Plus 5.
O, picturean nyo na yan. Diyan, dito.
Salamat, Dok.
Ninyo, ha? Naka-project na? Hindi pa. So, the intercalated disc is the characteristic feature of your
Skeletal.
Jessa.
And 1, 2, napadami. These are all your intercalated discs. Okay? Wala yan sa skeleton, no? Diyan pa lang sa screen na yan, ilan lang intercalated disc. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, marami. Kasi naka-vertical line. This one also. These are in the highest tower in the tape. No? They are your characteristic feature of the cardiac muscle. Okay? Can you appreciate the intercalated disc? Yes. So what is the parenchyma? The parenchyma of your cardiac muscle is cardiac myocyte. Okay? Cardiac muscle cell or cardiac myocyte. Your smooth muscle, the parenchyma is smooth muscle cell or smooth myocyte. And of course, the skeletal muscle, it's skeletal muscle cell or skeletal myocyte. Okay, this is
Wala pa oh.
infant
Papapotocopy pa lang.
Yes. Yeah. Let's go.
Ano parenchyma cardiac muscle cell? Tapos,